name is Rosemary Namboze and I'm the Executive Director for Angel Center for Children with Special Needs. Welcome to our Happy Chicken Farm in Uganda at Angel Center for Children with Special Needs.
This is the vocational skilling program, and through this vocational skilling program, children get opportunity to learn how to take care of the chicken.
They are able to come and work here. They are able to feed. It's acting as a demonstration farm here in our country in Uganda.
Right now, as you can see, they are feeding them. They learn to feed the chicken. They learn to pick eggs from the belt. And this is a life skill that we give the children.
In 2023, we got the opportunity to have funding to have the chicken farm in Uganda, supported by the Happy Chicken Farm Netherlands. It has been a great experience to see how modern farming is done. Right now we are rearing 350 layers and they are giving us 10 trays of eggs every day. This has been an additional income.
This aims at improving the nutrition of the children with special needs and also an income generating activity for the family.
But most importantly, this has also helped us support our children to gain more skills in rearing poultry.
So that as they grow up, they are able to earn a living. And we also got the opportunity to share this same knowledge with the parents that we work with in the community.
One of our key main aim is to see this farm expand because we are looking at we increase on the number of students who are going to be trained in rearing modern chicken farm. It will be an exciting moment to have volunteers who have skills in poultry to come and join us here in Uganda. Thanks to Happy Chicken Farm for making this a reality. And one of our key goals we are looking at is to expand, looking for more funds to expand, to make it bigger, to raise more resources, to raise more funds to support our project and our children. Thank you to all our supporters. We look forward to meeting you, to welcoming you here in Uganda to see how amazing we are doing. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.